Welcome to the channel. Hey Gunners, what a roller coaster yesterday at the Emirates. Arsenal beat bottom of the table Wolves 2-1 with a 94th minute winner. We were rescued by two own goals, but the three massive points to stay five clear at the top. We dominated from the start against a stubborn Wolves side fighting for survival. Saka was pulling the string, Odegaard creating chances, but we struggled to break them down. Smash the subscribe button and hit the bell for all latest Arsenal reactions.